Hey, Daddy, look what I found out my lips can do.
All right, Jeffy, that's really cool. Stop, Jeffy.
The have to.
Stop it.
Marvin, I bought something with your credit card. Don't be mad.
What'd you buy?
I got myself a Louis Vuitton bag. I've never had one before, Marvin.
How much did that cost?
Well, it was originally $10,000, but there was a scratch on it, so I got it for $3,000.
$3,000? We don't even have that kind of money.
Oh, Marvin, please let me keep it. I won't ask for anything else for the rest of the year.
Oh my God, we don't have that kind of money.
Hey, Mommy, look what I found out my lips can do.
Stop it, Jeffy. Oh, there's someone at the door.